to another episode. So on this little adventure, we're going up into the high country for a little explore.
Yeah, well, as we're going along, because we're heading to Dargo, because we have never seen it before, we've seen a dog track, and we thought, well, we'll check that out. So we did that. Then we decided, well, we better put the GPS on and go straight to Dargo. So we decided to follow Google Maps. Well, that was a big mistake. It took us to Dargo, all right. We hit tracks that I would never take my car through, ever. Anyway, we ended up at Dargo on the GPS, saying we're here. Well, right up the top on some helicopter pad or something, right up the top of the hill. So Dargo must have been down under us somewhere. Who knows? We got no idea. Anyway, I had to, my knees have been playing up, so I thought I'm going to go and get my back cracked. So I went in and seen a chiropractor, and I told him what happened, and he said it happens all the time. He works for the SES, and he said they're pulling people out all the time up there. The GPS gets people in so much trouble, it's beyond a joke. He said they're pulling people off the sides of cliffs where they lose it and go over, which we can understand that with what we've seen. It was very, very hairy. And he just shook his head and went, oh no, he couldn't believe we did it. But we got through it, as usual.
Well, the problem was the GPS you'd have a service 1 minute and then not the next, and you could see the tracks, and I would make sure that the track would come around and meet the main road again. But the problem being is when then you take the track, they all split up into different, there's no one line basically to take. And then once you're on that track, you can't turn around.
Once you're on that track, you can't turn back.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was no turning. It was too. If anyone was coming the other way, there's no way you could reverse back. There's no way you could turn. You were just buggered.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
So, here I was thinking, these main roads are pretty boring. Let's do a little adventure.
An adventure we had.
So anyway, sit back and enjoy the ride.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it looks even half as bad as what it was. Usually on the videos they don't look bad.
It just doesn't capture it properly. Everyone that does the video editing would understand that. Yeah. But we survived. We're here.
Anyway, have fun watching our torment. Thanks, guys.
So our plan today is to do a round trip from Barnsdale to Omeo through to Dargo and back again. So just a loop, and hopefully check a couple of tracks out on the way.
This is Omeo. It's a nice pie shop, cafe.
And here's the little fella.
She was a bonny wee lass.
He served none else but Peter Meehan, a comradeship wove of the bush, to last unto the end. That's sweet. That's cool, isn't it? Leave him a couple of balls and a bone. Well, that was worth a visit. So if you just take the little track, it's a little detour to the Dog's Grave track, and there's There's a little headstone there that you can check out, but this is an actual campsite, which is pretty cool. And just hearing all the birds and that around you is gorgeous.
Camping just in over here, just in there would be good.
Yep.
Just with the rooftop on. Swag or rooftop. Just back over here, they've even got a fire pit. Look at that, a fire pit and something to cook on. So it's pretty wicked. Yeah.
What do you think this little hut thing is?
I have no idea.
We've got a 3-way record.
I'm filming that, filming me, I'm filming her, filming me. Oh my god.
You can never have enough cameras.
This is crazy. Kidding me? Wow, so you can chuck your swag or sleeping bag in here. Bit of wood for you. Get the fire going, the heater, and sweep it out with this state-of-the-art broom when you're finished. Actually, that looks very similar to the one Andrea flies on. Check this out.
I could throw your swag down on the floor.
That's what I just said, yeah. It's crazy.
That is cool.
You got a fire.
This would be like
I don't know what's in there.
Yeah,
What's in there? So look at it. Yeah, they probably got it. Open it up, please. And how good is it that people leave things? They don't pinch stuff.
Oh, solar. Oh, look at that.
Someone's accidentally left that, surely.
I wonder.
Oh, that seems a bloody shame.
You would have to have this if it was snowing.
Oh, that's crazy.
That is absolutely brilliant.
Didn't expect that. Toilets over there. And the wildlife, the birds and that are just crazy in here. It's beautiful. So we're fairly high up there, Nanya. What do you reckon, Anya?
Wowee, look at that. Check that out for a view. How's that for a track?
Oh, that's a steep man. I'd love to give it a crack, but we don't know where we're ending up.
No, we've got to keep on the main road, it's getting late. But that's steep. What we've been coming down steep as well, but that's crazy.
Nothing like that.
No.
Oh shit, look at this.
Oh my God.
Does it ever end?
I'm over the four-wheel driving.
Oh, this is not what we had our hands up for, is it? Oh shit. We don't know where we are. We've taken all these ridiculous tracks. We've come from down there. Alright, so we've got a choice of going. And the roads are horrendous. We've got pinstripes all down the sides of our vehicle. So we're trying to work out whether we're going to head that way or we're going to head this way. And we're just trying to get the easiest track because we just want to get the hell out of here. If you look at that, Anya, that'd be our track going up there. All up through there. More of what we've done. Have a look at the descent and everything. I reckon we might be better off going that way. But it could turn worse. It's a gamble, isn't it? Oh shit, look at that. Oh, more of what we've just been doing. That's crazy. That's just crazy. That's just nuts. All right, we're going the other way. I wouldn't mind giving it a crack, but oh my God. We've been doing this for 3 hours. Yeah, we're never going to get back to camp at this stage. All right, if you don't hear from me, you know we never made it. On ya. You're not going to shift it because it's hitting at it or not fucking way. You're not going to do around it. I didn't shoot off the chainsaw. I only had to mop it off here because we got around. Thank you, Anya, for the excitement.
I want to go home.
That'll be adventure! We can do 100! Ah!
After travelling, what, 10 kilometres an hour? Or not even that.
That was speeding. Bloody 10. Oh, it was that. Mate, over this crap and up like that. Oh man, if we did any more than 5, we would have bounced the fridge in the back, which we did 3 or 4 times.
Well, Gibbo, you can thank me for giving you a 4-wheel drive experience.
Yeah, no, thanks, love. No, awesome. Thank you very much for that.
That was so stressful.